Hi everyone, today me and my dad together are going to draw a wagon. Let's start. You can actually ride in a wagon. First, just straight line. And a line here. There's a line here. Let's curve it here. And curve it down more. Now connect it. Now draw a line to here. Now draw a line here. Now from here, draw a line here. There's another one here. The line here to connect them. Now here, draw a line up, line down, and there. Now here, draw this, and this, and this, and this. That's how you can hold it, but if it was one, how can you hold it? Now draw a line here. Line here, like this. Okay, now draw a line here. Okay, we're done. Wait a minute. A wagon can't drive without wheels, so we need wheels as a car. Or a bumper car. Now a curve here. The line here. Okay, we can color. Finally. I'm gonna first use my green for this part. But do you know why we didn't put it this on this edge? Because it's on the other side. It's the same on the other ones. Now I'm gonna use black for the inside. Okay, now instead of a car, let's say all the people use this for cars. Just kidding. How about this is my dad's car? This was a little tricky, right? Well, it was a little tricky to me, but not hard, I meant. Tricky. I have an idea. I'm gonna color this thing. What my dad's using. My dad's using, what color is it? It's like hard to say. Red hot Oh. This part. Because I really know I want it red because I did Wagons a lot of red, so I'm going to do another color. How about, I'm going to do blue, one of my favorite colors. So these are my 3 favorite colors. There's no of them that's my really favorite. There's pink, purple, blue. My brother likes blue too. My dad's thinking of decorating. I'm gonna decorate with polka dots. Ready? Oh, that's only for paint. Polka dot here, polka dot. A polka dot here, a polka dot here, a polka dot here. Looks like my dad's done. Enjoy coloring, have fun. Okay, bye.